cuckoo road.
Okay, all we need is Madison to get out and stop eating the seat. Come on, Madison. Come on. I've got a little sloth. Is there any sloth here?
What?
Is there any sloth here?
Okay.
I don't know if there is. Mum. You can do it. Freddie, come here. We're in.
Freddie, put your feet up.
Freddie, pick up your feet. Look, Freddie.
Don't touch this, let's work.
Okay. Freddie, don't touch it.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
I don't know. Okay. Can we go see some animals now?
Yeah.
Yay. Ooh.
And do you want to get some food?
No, not yet.
Well, we might as well get it while we're here.
Oh. Okay. I don't want the birds to land on my head and then take out my earrings. She said that they'll be tempted to take out your earrings. The parrots.
Oh, lovely.
That's the sharing parrots.
You're not good, no, are you?
No, they haven't said anything yet, bruh.
Yeah, no, me on me.
No. Two birds. I love them ones.
Oh, wow.
Why not? A YouTuber has them.
Really?
Yeah,
What are they?
a small one though. I can't remember what they're called.
What happened to them?
Yeah, they're like dancing ones.
Have they?
Yeah, kinda. They like to copy your dances. They like dancing. It won't cry.
Hello, sweetie Polly.
You could feed it. Mum, are these Maddie don't really like the parrots. Not really interested
That's
in them.
it.
They kept saying hello. Like, oh, two parrots. I could reach that one. Mum,
Yeah.
can I have a nut? Quickly.
Is it the peanuts that they're meant to have?
I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, it
Go
is.
find a different one then. Let me...
Are you sure it's the peanut?
Hello.
Those are tortoises now. Take far away, we need to go round.
That parrot was sick, wasn't it?
Uh-huh. Ooh, what? Oh, why are you so obsessed with the parrots?
It's amazing.
Oh, there's an actual parrot there. An actual parrot. Oh!
Oh, no. Do you want the peanut?
Why is that one hanging? Pretty no. Oh no! What the hell? Maddie loves it.
Do you want a peanut?
Huh? Huh?
Hello. 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 They're laughing at you. Hello.
You're right there. Pretty. No. Hi. Stop laughing. Hello. Shut up. Shut up.
No, no, no.
Shut up.
Oh, they're brilliant.
I kinda do.
Have you got a peanut?
Huh?
Have you got a peanut?
In my hand. My hand I have. Are meerkats allowed to have these?
No, I think they have mealworms, I said.
Oh yeah,
Oh, here,
mealworms.
you can feed this one.
Are they allowed peanuts?
Yep. Here's your phone. That one's got one, look. They've all got.
I'm just using. I'm actually scared. This is a small one. And
Give it here. Give it here. I'll give it to him then.
It's absolutely beautiful. Look. Mmm.
Spooky.
Oh. It's so sad. Want attention? Oh, I just love the underneath.
Do you want a peanut?
Where's the blue one?
Do you want a peanut?
This is blue-headed.
Hello. Hello. Do you want a peanut? Hello. Do you want to dance with me?
There's a yellow cockapoo.
That's a little one.
Where?
Yeah, he ain't got a yellow head.
No. He's not the only one. There's another one in there that hasn't got a yellow head. It's over there. Whoa.
In here.
Look. Hi. Hi. Hi.
Hello, mate.
So cute. Mum, come on. And I can think of. Hurry up, I drink of. Give me a little soda pop. Give me a little... What? Wait, can you go inside of that? Okay, maybe I want to go in there. Does it need to... What? What? Why? Are they the ones that go on your head?
That's the walk for.
Oh, I'm terrified now.
I got an idea.
What? No. Mum, put that back in.
No, I'll do it then.
Oh, I'm terrified now. What are the ones that go on your head?
There's loads of different ones in there.
Uh-huh.
Do you realise maybe? Is that how you get in?
I don't know. I guess so. Is it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, you're going to have to hold the door open for me and Maddie.
Pretty.
Have you removed your jewellery? They may steal or break Pearson's jewellery, cameras, zips or buttons, glasses.
I just it does take cameras, but okay. Come on in. There's a little kangaroo.
Wait,
That's so cute.
Is that a kangaroo?
The kangaroo, Madison.
This man knows everything. Is it a kangaroo? It's a wallaby. It's a wallaby. Thank you.
Wallaby. The wallaby. The wallaby. I don't have any food. I don't have any food.
What's that, Fritz? Can you look?
It might not.
Can you look?
It probably thinks I have food. Oh, it's so cute. Can you walk? Can you walk?
Can you jump?
Yeah, I'm telling it to walk, so then it can jump.
Hop, little kangaroo, hop, hop, hop.
No, it's a wallaby.
Hop, little wallaby, hop, hop, hop. Can you hop, Maddie?
Hop, little wallaby, hop, 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 and stop. Actually, listen to the stop. Look, it's stopping. Bye. Bye-bye. Oh, so cute. Come on, Freddie. Do you like that wallaby? I did. Bye-bye. We go through the... There's a white wallaby. Oh, white wallaby, right. That is so cute. Parrots. There. Budgie. There's a blue one. Oh, them two were just kissing.
How do you remove these parrots? May not swear at you, but they might when they pinch your diamond. Oh, there we go.
You sure we're allowed in here?
Come on, Freddie.
What do you mean? Oh yeah, we are.
Can you wait until the door's closed?
You can Maddie then. What?
How do you know he's got to?
Because it's big. Lion's tail is right there.
No, I'm actually.